Make a great choice today with 2012 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, exterior entry lights, roof rails, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, cruise control, trip computer, multifunctional information center. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.